Hello and welcome everybody to the fifth video series of Kubernetes deployment using Jenkins CI/CD pipelines. So let me introduce you as so far what are the things we have achieved. So we have created the instance, we have configured the instance, we have installed all the software whatever was required for this project to achieve. Again, what we have done, we have seen in the previous lecture that how to create a commit based job. After that, we have seen like how we can SSH to any of the server using Jenkins. So we have seen the concept of how we can install a plugin, along with that how we can SSH to the other server. Along with that, we have seen how we can send some file from the Jenkins server to the Ansible server. Okay, and we have also seen that like how we can, after getting the file from Jenkins, Ansible Ansible has built images, right? So how Ansible will build the image in today's session we will watch. Sorry for that. Okay, so Ansible will today build the image based on the Dockerfile. Along with that, Ansible will tag the images. Okay, so Ansible will build the image along with the tag, like it for version maintaining. It will make to maintain the version, it will have a job like based on the build number, it will have tag like with the image. We will use the pipeline job name. Along with that, we will have the build number. So how many times you are running the pipeline, you will get the number like demo pipeline 1.4, demo pipeline 1.5. so like this you will get. Along with that, for each and every tag, for 1.4 also you will get a latest image, for 1.5 also you will get the latest image. So if we are going through that process, we are maintaining a version also, right, of the image, so that at any point of time we can do rollback, right? And along with that, we will use the latest image, right, to make a container, right? So let's just go ahead and let's just create a new stage, right? So this was our pipeline. Just go to the configure. So in this job, if you will scroll down, these are the things we have achieved till now, right? So once you have done that, okay, let me just go ahead and let me add one more stage, that is Docker image building, right? So just give some, okay, okay. Inside this, I'm going to write the commands. So what are the command? So first you have to go to the, right, you have to SSH to the this Ansible server, right? Then only you can go ahead, right? So what I will do, I will just copy this, the first only. If you don't know how to make this, just go through my previous video where there I have told how to use this. Okay, so once this is done, we have to do what? Sorry, we have to execute the cell here, so that the Ansible server will start. After Jenkins will SSH to the Ansible server, right, it will start executing. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's just first go to our server. Okay, so this is the one, SSH-o. Okay, along with that you have to take this strict host checking. Okay, make sure that it is set to no only, right? Along with that, you have to provide the IP ubuntu at the private IP, whatever you have configured. So make sure you have made the SSH connection that I have also told in the previous video. Okay, so once this is done, so this should execute the command, right? Where it should go, it should go to this location, so that it will find the Docker file. Okay, cd, and this is the path you have to go. Okay, so once it will go there, okay, let me put stress space. Okay, so once this is done, now what it has to do, it has to build the image, right, using the Dockerfile. So Dockerfile will be at that location only, because you can see in the previous build we have sent all the file present here to this location. So in this location it will pick up the Dockerfile directly. So here you have to write the command to build the image, right? That is docker image build. And here let's just go ahead and add, as we discussed in the video, I'm taking the job name here. Along with that, for version maintaining, I will take the build number, right? In one of the previous video I have told you, right, how to get this. Please go ahead and watch that. So this is the build ID, and here in the current directory you will get the Docker file. So once this is done, let's just go ahead and let's just save and apply, and let's see if we have any issue so that we can resolve it. Okay, so it is executing, right? So docker build image. Okay, let's just enter in the console output. Okay, so see, from the Docker file it started building the image. Okay, let's wait until it is done. Okay, so it is succeed, right? If you want to verify, let's just go to the Ansible server, because here only they have built the image. Okay, let me duplicate the session. Let's log in here. Docker image ls. So you can see, right, this is the normal image, which is latest one. Along with that you have a image tagged image. Okay, so using CentOS we have created image, right? Sorry. Okay, so we have created this image, right, with the build number, right? v.1. Do you remember this? Okay, let me go to the code and let me show you. So you can see, right, job name is what? Pipeline demo, and colon v1 dot build id. What is the build id here? Just click on that, and right now our build id is 37, right? We are so far. Okay, so this you can see, right, v1 dot 37 it's 2. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, now we have to go again. Okay, so before pushing the image to the Docker Hub, what we have to do, we have to tag the image, right? So what you have to do, just create one more stage here. Stage and Docker image tagging, and here you have to write the scripts for that. Okay, so make sure you are doing SSH to your server. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, please watch at my previous video. So once you came here, what you have to do, you just have to write the command of tagging. So this is my cell. Okay, and here what we have to do first, okay, let me copy this so that we can modify. Okay, so this is fine. So once you are here, that is okay. After that, what you have to do, you just have to build the file. Okay, so what is the command for building the Docker image? Docker image, sorry, we have already built the image, right? We have to tag. So Docker image tag. Which image do you want to tag? Actually I want to tag this image, right? Just take the name. Okay, so this image, what name do you want to tag, right? So first I want to tag why this. If you will go to the DockerHub, right, you have to create a DockerHub account, right? I have told you as a prerequisite. So let me go ahead and show you. So you can see, right, there are no repository in the namespace currently, but what I wanted to show you is this name, right? If you will tag by this name, right, it will help you to revert your Docker image to this account, right? So make sure you are giving that. So this is my, so that I know if your you have to change yourself accordingly, right? Let's just go to the Docker dashboard again. Okay, and here along with that I have to provide this. Okay, this is fine. And this is for version maintaining. For the version maintaining also we have to write some code, right? So again, what you have to do is just copy this. This time we will have this first one was for version and this one was for latest image, right? So here instead of any version I will write latest, so it will pick up the most latest image, right? So this is fine. Okay, so I hope you understood, right? We have went through this path, and now what we are doing, we are trying to build the image with this tag. Okay, and the second time we are trying to build this image with the latest tag, right? So let's just go ahead and save and apply. Let's just see if an issue come. So Docker image tagging is going on. Okay, if we will, okay, so it is succeed, right? If you will go here, you can see it is succeed. Okay, so you can see our commands are there. Okay, so this is the name we got, right? Now it's 1.38. so let's just go ahead, let's go to our Ansible server and let's check Docker images, and you can see here. Okay, this is the one which we are looking for. This is the pipeline name and version is 38. So this is the pipeline demo and version is 38. That is fine. Along with that, what is the second image name? Okay, these are the two images, right? Sorry. So you can see with the name pipeline demo, one was latest, you can see latest one, and with this name and this, you can see the second one, right? So that is all for today. Okay, so in the next session we will see how we can pull these images to the push these images to the DockerHub. Okay, so stay tuned and let's see you in the next video. Okay, so one more request, if you really finding my video useful, please drop a like and consider subscribing and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.